Hi children, welcome back. So in our previous session we have completed the some part in the slot 2. So today I would like to deal with the remaining part of the slot 2. So firstly we will start the reading part of this slot. So have a look on the reading part, right?
So be ready with your books, children. If you can't, I will go and see. You just sit here and wait for me. She sprang up and ran across the grass, swift and sweet of limb. Soon she was in the jackfruit tree, crawling along the projecting branch. A warm wind brought little eddies of dust along the road. Summer was in the air. Children, here is a small picture. You can easily understand that the girl is taking the cross, iron cross, from the hole of the tree, and that young man was sitting in the chair. I have found it, she cried. I have found something. And now, barefoot, she ran breathlessly towards him, in her outstretched hand a rusty old medal. He took it from her and turned it over on his palm. Is it the Iron Cross? She asked eagerly. Yes, he said. This is it. Now I know why you came. You wanted to see if it was still in the tree. You may be right. I'm not really sure why I came, but you can keep the cross. You found it after all. No, you keep it. It's yours. But it could have remained in the tree for another 25 years if you hadn't climbed up to look for it. But if you hadn't come back again on the right day, at the right time, and with the right person, he said, getting up and placing the medal in her hands. It wasn't the cross I came for, it was my youth. She didn't understand that, but she walked with him to the gate and stood there, gazing after him as he walked away. Where the road turned, he looked back and waved to her. Then he quickened his steps and moved briskly towards the bus stop. There was sprightliness in his step, and something cried aloud in his heart. Dark dancing eyes, melon sweet lips, lissom limbs. The mango scented summer breeze made the blood course in his veins, and he forgot for a moment that he couldn't climb trees anymore.
So our present lesson Can't Climb Trees Anymore was written by Ruskin Bond. So let us know few things about this writer. So Ruskin Bond was born in Kausali, Himachal Pradesh in the year 1934. So he wrote so many short stories, novels and essays, especially on children. Then his first novel, The Room on the Roof. So he wrote that The Room on the Roof at the age of 17 years. When he was 17, that time he started writing the novels. So his first novel was The Room on the Roof, so which was a very famous one. And he also got the prestigious award in the literature. So that is Sahitya Akademi Award. So that he got that award for his writing Our Tree Still Growing, Dehra. And he also bagged Padma Shri award in the year 1999 for the contribution of children literature. So government of India identified him so that he is fond of writing the children literature. So for that, he has he has got so many awards and rewards. So hope you understood and enjoyed this session well. Thank you, children. Now children, it's time for assignment. So I'll give you a small assignment. So that is, you need to write a biography on the writer Ruskin Bond, right? Thank you. So while it started immediately,